Right, so we are doing the baby food challenge. I have got baby food, we've warmed it up. This is what I'm eating, but it's a bit of a twist. So I don't know if you guys have seen the Not My Arms challenge, where say someone will stand behind them and do something like makeup on them, like with their arms. So what we're gonna do is Ellie's gonna stand behind me. She's gonna use her arms and she's gonna try and feed me the baby food. We couldn't think of anything else to do, and we thought this would be funny.
I can't even see your face either, so.
Yeah, she can't see where my mouth is. So if my mouth is covered in baby food because of it missing.
You can't touch it either.
Oh, I can't touch it either, and I can't like
move your hair or anything.
I'm gonna try not to spit it out, but we have got stuff
You
on
have
the
got a
floor.
white t-shirt on, huh?
I've got a white t-shirt on. Do not get it down me. It looks.
Look at the baby food.
Look at this. This is the baby food. Ugh. Ugh. I'm regretting all my life decisions. I'm regretting all my life. Ugh. Stop it!
Can you hear it?
Yes, I can hear it. Ew. Ew. It looks. Ew.
It smells nice though.
It smells alright. It don't feel alright. It feels fluffy. Ew.
You could have say that.
Ew.
I don't know how this is gonna work.
So stand
because I
behind me.
can't see shit.
So you're supposed to stand behind me.
And then your hair.
And then your one arm comes around
Okay.
the side of it and tries to feed me. Try not to get it in my hair.
Lift up your arms.
Oh my god.
This is so awkward.
Ew.
We need to do a bit more forward. I'm getting your hair. in my
Ew.
mouth.
Ew. Ew. That was disgusting. Ow! That was my tongue.
Sorry.
Ow!
Right, you're not allowed to move your head. I got like.
Ew.
Let's
This
get
is
that-
so spicy.
Let's get that potato.
It's not.
Look at.
This is disgusting.
Oh my god. Is it nice?
No. It tastes like, do you know what? It tastes like ration pack food.
It tastes like what?
Ration pack.
Oh, is it that bad?
Ow! Oh, fine. Attack me with a spoon. Yeah, just shove the spoon down my throat.
It doesn't help that you're taller than me.
Ew, it's got peas in.
Yeah.
Ew! Ew.
Let's get.
That can be like the last one, and then we'll try the chicken one.
Let's get a big spoon.
Ew.
Don't spit it out! No, not on me.
No, you shoved the spoon down my throat. What you should do is get the chicken one and try that one.
Do it cold.
Cold baby food. Okay, go on in. That's disgusting.
This one is sweet potato, mash and chicken.
Sweet potato and mash and chicken. Yeah, I mean, I know you can't see the words, but you can see the pictures. Should I just like... it's got peas in too. What is it with baby food and peas?
Ew.
Did you eat that? It's worse. It's cold. It's cooled down. Ew, this one's like... Ah! Ew. Right there. Look at
Well, it
this.
doesn't move, it's like.
It just...
What's the light on?
It just spins around. It's like jelly, Ellie. Ew,
Ew.
the suction.
It doesn't even mush together, it just like breaks up. It looks so bad in your videos.
Okay. I don't know if I'm ready for that one.
This one looks
It looks like someone's
a
sick.
lot worse.
It looks like
I
someone's
would
been
admit
sick.
that.
You sure you don't want to do it?
I can't. I
don't know what even looks like chicken in there.
You know, I couldn't even tell you what it is.
What? Okay.
I think it's the mushy bit.
Okay.
Try not to sweat on my arm this time.
Yeah, but I'm just sweaty. I really don't want to open my mouth. The sound. No.
You got to down one of them.
Are you mental?
You got to down this one as fast as you
Ew,
can.
nah, I'll be sick.
I'll time you.
I'll be sick. I'll down the other one.
Huh?
I'll down the other one.
Okay.
Pretty sure that's dangerous. That's disgusting. But don't do this at home, kids.
Well, they are for kids. So, enjoy. Bon appetit.
Why am I doing this?
For your YouTube.
Uh,
Stand a bit closer. Closer.
This is not ASMR or a mukbang, you know.
May
This
as well
is-
be.
This is eating baby food challenge. Ew. Do you want to get your finger to time me?
Oh yeah.
She's gonna time me how long it takes me to
I've
eat the
lost
rest
my
of this. This is grim. That one was disgusting. I don't think you should eat chicken
I
and
think
baby
you should
food.
eat both of them.
Nah, I'll be sick. I'm gonna go home later. I'm not staying over, am I?
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
Is it cold now?
Ew. It's a bit cold, yeah.
Go.
If I can get this, I swear to God, people must actually leave a likes on this video because this is torture. Ew. I can't be baby food. This is disgusting.
I feel sorry for you. I feel sorry for all the babies out there.
How do babies even like this food? Mm-mm.
Well, that took you 40 seconds.
That's disgusting.
I bet. How long was this video? 7 minutes?
That is it
7
for
minutes
baby food
of
challenge.
Baby food.
That is it for the baby food challenge.
I
That
always
was
want John's in your videos.
that was disgusting. Probably won't do a baby food challenge again. Probably not until like, we get more baby food.
Or unless you've got a baby.
Or unless I've got a baby, which I don't. That was so awkward buying baby food when I'm not even a mother. I think the next time if we ever do a baby food challenge again, I'll probably go Morrison's instead of Tesco's. Buy
I did tell you that.
like 7 different types, and then we'll do like a blindfold one where we have to guess which one we're eating.
Try get, vegetarian ones.
Yeah. We'll try that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Any other suggestions for challenges what we should do, leave them in the comments. Bye.
Bye.